Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Ta-da! Sand art!
Wow! It's awesome sauce!
Yeah, Phoebe, it looks so good!
Oh, no! Our sandcastle! What are we gonna do?
Oh, look, Phoebe, a surprise box!
This is awesome! Can we open it?
Whoa, slow down, Phoebe, slow down. Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe.
Miss Hands, we found a surprise box. No, Phoebe. We need help opening the box.
Here you go, Phoebe. Ooh, this is so exciting. What could be inside this blue box? Let's take a look. Whoa, look at that. It's a picture of a dinosaur.
Wow, that is awesome! But it doesn't have any colors.
Oh no, it's lost its colors. Phoebe, we need to find them. Let's use a bit of fizzy magic. You join in too. 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.
So many surprise boxes!
Good spot, Phoebe. We best get to work.
Miss Hands, let's open box number 2.
Let's do it.
We need to take a closer look. There, Miss Hands.
Oh, look. It's a tube of bright yellow sand.
Oh, I wonder if there's more.
Let's take a look at box number 3.
This box is red. I wonder if the tube of sand will be red.
Let's find out, Phoebe. Oh, look, another tube of sand, Miss Hands.
Good spot, Fizzy. And this sand is red.
One more box.
You're right, Fizzy. Box number 4 is green. Let's take the lid off here and have a little rummage around. Just a minute. Is there a green tube? I can't feel it yet. Oh, no, wait. Hold on. There it is.
We have opened 1, 2, 3, 4 surprise boxes!
That's correct, Phoebe. Hey, wait a minute. I wonder if there's blue sand in the blue box. Let's take a look. Oh, yes there is. Look, I must have missed that. There we go.
So we have blue, yellow, red, and green colored sand.
Well done, Fizzy. And we still have this picture of a dinosaur that's lost all of its colors. And that's really weird. This picture is really sticky. Seems to be stuck to my hand. Oh, there we go.
That's it. We can color it with our sand. Our sand can stick to the picture.
Whoa, that is super clever, Fizzy. Let's get to work on our dinosaur sand art craft.
It's time to peel the image!
Absolutely! I'm going to take my little handy tool here, and I think we should do the sky first. This piece here, I'm going to start down here in the corner. Here we go. Just lift it up like that, and loosen this big piece up here. Go around our dinosaur's head. And there we go. Oops, no, I think I missed a bit here. Now we're done.
I've got the blue. Oh, I've got the blue. Oh.
Whoa, Phoebe, you sure did get excited. Let's have a look here. See what's underneath all this blue sand. There we go. Look, it worked. The sky's blue.
Wow, it worked.
Can we do the dinosaur next?
Let's do it.
let's do a green T-Rex. And I've got the green sand.
Don't drop it like I did.
Okay, I can sprinkle this on here. Oh, this is fun. And his head. Bye-bye, dinosaur. Can't see him now. That was fun.
Time to tip the sand off. Here we go. Whoa, good work, team. Look at our dinosaur there. He's all green.
Whoa! This looks awesome!
And now we have the dinosaur colored in. For every fact that you can tell me about dinosaurs, we can color in a different part of the picture.
A T-Rex is a dinosaur.
Correct. Let's peel off the volcano.
Cool!
And now we can sprinkle on some red sand. Here we go. And reveal our volcano. Whoa, that was a cool eruption.
Oh, I have another fact. T-Rexes are carnivores, which means they eat meat.
Ooh.
Yes, they do, Fizzy. Let's fill in the dinosaur's mouth and his little tiny dinosaur eye. And let's use red again. Grrr, grrr.
Whoa! He looks great!
Whoa, you hear that? That's a pterodactyl up here in the sky. I think we should do him next. And let's color him with some yellow. Ooh, there he is, flying up there in the sky.
Oh, a T-Rex has very short arms.
Oh, Phoebe, that's true, and it's another fact. So let's peel off the ground. I'm going to start down here. Let's use yellow again.
Oh, that would look like he's standing on sand.
And it is sand.
Just gonna make sure we cover every single bit of the ground with our yellow sand here. There we are. Our dinosaur is standing on bright yellow sand.
Oh, dinosaurs can run as fast as a car.
Ah, Fizzy, another really impressive fact. And I think our dinosaur picture is finished.
Woohoo! Can we see it?
Please, please, please.
Here you go.
Whoa, that sure does look like a dinosaur.
Yeah, that is awesome!
Whoa. Hiya, Dino.
Whoa! Our sand art was so good, it brought him to life.
Go team! The beach is so fun.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next